Hey guys, today we're replacing a Dektite that's pretty much disintegrated. So we've been doing a bathroom inside the house and they've had a leak above the window on the architrave, so there's a chance there's water's going down. So we've come up here, had a look at these Dektites, and well, that Dektite is dead. So we're going to cut the top off, replace the Dektite, silicone a new one on, make it all nice and tidy. Smells pretty bad because it's a vent pipe, so I have to go and get a screwdriver. Okay, I've cleaned the area. I've had this sat on. I've marked around so I know where to put my silicone. I'm just gonna put inside the area where this is. So this has got all the ridges on it and stuff underneath. They'll sit into it. I've already kind of folded this a bit to go around there because I already had it once. I'm just going to slot it over this pipe. Push it down. Push this down. This. It's looking nice and neat. So I'm going to drill a rivet hole through here. Don't want to let my rubbish fall down into the gutter. Right, so now I'm going to work this into here like this. This is going to glue on. I don't want to put too many rivets in this, but I'll put a few. I rely on the silicone too. Put one on the other side to that one. Nice and good. I don't want it. happy with that, because the once the silicon's gone off, that will. So we'll just clean around it. I'll just get some more ISO, just clean up. Some little bits. Okay, next thing is I'm going to put a hood on too, so that water doesn't just go straight down into here. So if I put a hood on and silicone around that, it's like a secondary thing to protect, for protection. So I'm just going to put that on. I'm going to mark around here like this. Then I'm going to get some silicone, some clear this time.
I'm going to go around there. All right.
Just like that. And then I'm going to push this down on over the top. And so obviously the silicon's around there. Then I'm going to just do a nice, neat.
It'll be around the top too.
Still got some ISO on my cloth, so I'm just going to wipe round with my finger. Everything's neat and tidy, and then my cowl's going to sit on the top, and I'm just going to glue that on. So we'll just get some glue. Put it around the inside. Put the lid back on so we don't spill any. And there we are. Dektite complete.